Hey, what's up, traders? Welcome back to my channel. We're going to look at today's Forex day trading possibilities. And we're going to analyze three different currency pairs. To start off with, going to be US dollar against Canadian dollar, euro against Australian dollar, and dollar against Swiss franc. Swiss franc is gonna be semi-swing. If you watched my yesterday's video, I mentioned it, and it is still in play as of today. So we're gonna start off with US dollar versus Canadian dollar. This is a 4-hour chart, and this currency is still developing, and I'm looking at the 4-hour time frames. It's still looking weak, but the bigger trend is on the daily time frame is up, even though I'll just bring a snippet up, will be easier to draw, will be easier for you guys to look at it. So as you can see, it has these highs, it has 1, 2 and third time, it has like 3 attempts already to break it, and now it's retracing down. So I'm looking obviously to this currency to go up, so I'm waiting for it might be still bullish. So as of it stands now, I'm waiting these 4-hour candles, the 8 a.m. and probably gonna be a midday candles, see how they're gonna close. If there's gonna be some bullish strength, then I would be definitely jumping onto the long side. On the 1 hour early, it's kind of looking strong, but it still didn't convince me yet to take a trade. So I'm waiting for these two 4-hour candles, one at AM and one at midday, possibly even at 4 p.m. one. This is all in UK time, by the way. So if I can, let me just draw again, will be also easier. So let's say if this candle closes, so roughly in about 1 hour, probably higher, and then next candle also the 4-hourly goes higher, then I would be looking ideally. Also, this is a resistance, this is a weekly main pivot, and you got these two little highs, so it might have a bit of a struggle to get harder through, but then I will be looking to get onto the long side. So this is basically a day trade and also a swing opportunity if it does what I think it does. But that's, so if the next two candles, or at least the 12 p.m. candle closes nicely bullish, then I will be looking to get on. So the first target as of the day trade concerns, the first target is very reasonable to take it, that 132.65, around that area. This, yeah, it's already broken that trend line yesterday, yeah, just almost about yesterday midnight, and then it looks like it wants to gain some strength. And then as of the swing, I will be looking personally to, I think at least this price wants to come up and take out this cluster of highs, so probably around 33.60, 133.60, or even higher, maybe up to this 3400. But at least I would expect to take out these highs, and then I don't know what it's gonna do, but I will be expecting to do that, which is a good, decent, around 100 pips, give or take. So that is that, but only if it shows some strength. Right, the next currency is Euro against Aussie. And now this one looks like also to going higher. I was waiting to these retraces back down to that 161, 67, 65 area, but as you can see now it wants to, okay, it doesn't look that much, but it's kind of already looking it's gonna gain some strength. So if it doesn't do that, and I do not think it will in the next 55 minutes when this 4-hour candle is gonna close, So I'm looking at this one as a long side as well, at least for a short period of time until it yeah, goes higher, and depends on the candle. But for now, as of the, if that breaks, let me just bring up a snippet again. Let's just draw this big line. So if that breaks this weekly pivot, and also you got this high and these small highs up here, so if it breaks it and closes nicely, then I will be looking some retracements to get onto the long side to run it. Probably let me look at it. So it breaks that one and retraces, it's easy to run it. Right, 60 to 55, that's probably going to be a bit too much to ask for it for now. So that breaks it about 07, 05, and running to 26. So if it closes strongly and retraces a bit, first target would be the daily R3 at 162.26, around the area. Then, as of the second target, you could target these highs at 162.54, area 55. That's also good, but that's only if it shows some strength. For now, I've got these highs up. Okay, no, this is too much for now. But certainly if it closes nicely, let's see how it's going to close in the next 50 minutes. And yeah, if it breaks that one, then I'd certainly look into for a short term to the long side. The next currency is US dollar against Swiss franc. This is a daily chart, and as you can see, this is now retracing nicely. That's why I'm waiting to get onto the long side. It's been going nicely, it's gaining strength up, and then I think it will go higher, much higher, or at least for the next highs, but I'm waiting for this one to retrace to around this area where the weekly pivot is, and if it's gonna play out, so if it does that, it's very close to the where my entry would be. But so if it plays out, I would be looking, let's say if you get on here, 97, 90, correct, 97, 95, and then run it all the way something around here, 98.75, where the weekly R2 is. And now, and to check the news, this is forexfactory.com again, and if you have a look at the today's news, we already had the Australian dollar, it's been out, and now the next major news is gonna be at 10 a.m. UK time, German ZEW economic sentiment. This might create some volatility. So other than that, it does not really happening. On the Canadian, it's manufacturing sales, but I don't think it would create maybe very mild volatility, but that would be it. Other than that, it's nothing serious up until Wednesday on Aussie. Okay guys, I hope you found this video helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Okay guys, I hope you find this video helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'm making regular content about trading, and also if you have any questions, just leave it in the comments below. And until then, I'm gonna see you guys in the next video.